someday buy your friend the Big Joke bundle on Cold War, just that way it's a reference to Joker. You don't have to do this right now, but you do
And you need to ask your friend Brian to talk to check the audio.
My audio was fine.
You also do need to bug your friend to get Red Dead Redemption 2, or this will not work.
Welcome. Wait, guys. Welcome to the video, guys. Today we're gonna play some D-Machine.
D-Machine.
Totally not the second game we're playing. This is totally the first game.
Yeah, because some random didn't just join in the middle of the game.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah. Would you be able to
Let's
make
get it
private?
started. Yeah, I made it private.
Hopefully.
Wait. Oh shit. Fuck.
What? What?
Don't wait. Leave that. Here, join. Fuck. I really can't invite you. Seriously.
I didn't even join the invite you sent me. I just joined from the activation thing. I can't believe the phrase turd gobblers got you to invite me to a party. I can't believe that got me into your life. Now look where we're at.
Oh.
I went from an annoying fan to an annoying friend. I can't properly do it unless I'm angry.
So guys, in order to get the gray gun from the box every time, you have to use a Gallo SA-12, aka Spass 12. And also, I don't know if this glitch to work.
Guys, that really isn't how you
Toxic
do it. No.
has to game share with Brian to get him Cold War.
This really has to work is you have to use a mic that goes out at random points in the game so you can't hear what you're talking about. You also have to pull Tokyo Masaki and have a stroke. And share half the
make sure that you're using one of the new Xbox controllers so that it can go out all the time.
And you have to use the walkie/Zashi.
Yes.
Let's get to it then.
Now, what you want to do is when your friend has to make sure if you have this game.
That is an optional step, and I refuse.
Toxic, come open this door.
Didn't we have to wait? What? How is it? Wait.
For the purpose of the video, we're gonna do things differently.
Okay.
Yeah, normally, guys, we would sit out and spawn for 20 rounds and then come out, but
I think that'd be 10,
so I don't
not
bore
20.
you guys.
Andrew said he has to wait 20 rounds to come out the closet.
Your friend has to pull a Tokyo Masaki and have a stroke at the beginning of the game while trying to talk about his controller that goes out when his friend is talking. And you also have to use the walkie/Zashi to massacre a whole bunch of zombies.
Also, what Andrew does have to say the
and your friend does have to stop talking over you while you're in the middle of talking, like you know some things about zombies and what you do.
Guys, unfortunately, Brian has cancer. Stage 4.
Yep, I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna die in a couple seconds.
I have stage 4 mental retardation.
Always have. Now your friend has to do is open this door.
And
your friend has to refuse.
Sister to text you.
We have to
And your friend has to end the game.
We have to knife it until it opens. Oh, yo, it worked.
Oh, it worked.
Yeah, see, that's part of the Easter egg.
Now, what you have to do is get the points from Jug. You have to shoot the Jug logo.
What your other friend has to do is
run
get
over
the
the
box
box.
from stamina.
8 rounds in the box.
And
Crouch, hit it.
I
turn around.
you already took it, you greedy motherfucker.
And you should get a Magnum.
Your friend should nearly go down, but you saved him with the walkie-Zashi, although he was a greedy prick and stole the stamina points. Now what you need to do...
You have to cross-map a zombie with the Magnum.
You need to... Alright, Andrew, come here, because this is a very, very crucial step. So what you want to do is you want to knife each question mark 2 times, and you want to hit the box.
Oh yes. Important. You gotta shoot a
And then
magnum round to do
you
it
have
too.
to also.
You should get a knife.
Yeah, you also need to knife the lock, like you're lock picking it with both melee weapons. And then you need to you need to jerk yourself off into the box. And then yeah, hopefully that should work.
I have to hit the box then. Then I have to shoot a zombie. And I should get an attack chopper.
You should get a toy chopper. Your friend should massacre an entire lot of zombies like he's Takeo Masaki, and if you don't know who Takeo Masaki is, you don't exist.
You simply
shouldn't
just
be
don't
playing-
exist in the world.
You shouldn't be playing this game if you don't know who Takeo Masaki is, aka one of the most badass characters in all Call of Duty Zombies, aka the Asian dude who slaughtered an entire, like, horde of zombies with just...
AKA the guy who had a stroke.
aka the guy who's gonna live because he's a champ.
AKA Rip
the guy
Ned
who's never
Luke,
gonna
he
voice
is
zombies
sadly
again.
passed.
Who
I mean,
passed?
he's gonna pull through just like the dude who voiced Michael did, because they're both champs.
Oh yeah, right.
Yeah, bro. They carried our childhood.
Exactly. They can never die.
They can't die. Legends never die.
Dude, imagine
Except
we're in the
for
year 2090 and our kids come to us and say,
Like how nobody talks about him anymore.
What?
Nobody talks about any of the dead fucking rappers.
people only care about dead rappers because they died.
They only care about them when they die.
They only ever
Only for a
appreciate
couple
their music.
weeks. And then they don't, well, their music sucks dick. But
Yeah,
then
he
no
doesn't
one
like
fucking bats, no one even, yeah, everybody forgets that
But
about
at least
him,
he's
which, I mean, whatever.
acknowledging the fact that, like, part of, like, the people
It's just
appreciate
funny to
rap.
me.
I'm still acknowledging it. But
Like,
yeah.
how do you go from never hearing about his name, then when he dies, you're like, oh my god, I love him, and then a couple days later, like, who the fuck is that?
Like, yeah, I listened to his music before, like, Juice WRLD died. I was like, huh?
You should get an AK,
But
but
there's,
you're
like,
not gonna
one
take it,
song
you're
that I
still gonna-
really did like, but it came out after he died. That's not something I can change. That's just something that's just chronological, you know, affectation.
Now what you have to do is come down here and have your friend open
You also
this
have to
door.
reload while hitting the box and shoot a little bit of AK ammo into it. You also have to slaughter a whole bunch of more zombies. Like, it's a butchery. Yeah.
Guys, your friend also has to confess his love for you, Dr. Parley. He's great.
Figure out how to unfuck this situation.
How to unfuck this situation.
Now this is Treyarch confirmed,
Yes, this
Treyarch
was
said that
confirmed by
this
David
Easter egg
fucking
works.
Hart himself.
and I've done it before, and I can confirm myself that it works.
Yes,
100%.
David fucking Hart has literally, we interviewed him, and he quite literally said himself, this shit works.
He even said himself, and I quote, "Fuck LGBT."
Fuck Violet.
Alright, I don't really have any, I can't really agree at all.
Toxic has to come down and open this door.
Toxic also has to be a cunt and open a different door.
You can open the more expensive door.
Fuck you. Unlawful Spoon. I'm kidding. Unlawful Spoon is my childhood. If you don't know who Unlawful Spoon is, I don't know you.
Your friend mentions Unlawful Spoon one time, he's gonna mess up the glitch.
Unless he's talking about the diss track, which was kind of a bop.
Warzone lobby music, though.
Oh yeah, Warzone lobby music. Your friend does have to play the Warzone lobby music while getting surrounded by
No,
zombies.
he doesn't.
Yes, he does. It will not work if he doesn't. So Andrew, pick up your goddamn guitar.
You should get a teddy for the. Well, I can't. We're in the fucking middle of a game.
When the zombies aren't around you, when you're okay to do it, pick it up and play the Warzone theme. I like how you can't just like look at the wall that's behind like the box and then
Perfect
you
moment.
have to actually look down at it. Alright, now play it while we still have the chance, or else it will not work.
That's what Project End Station was. A gateway to another dimension. But why? For
Wait.
what purpose?
That's for future historians to decide, Ray.
them should go into the ether to stall times. That way your friend can also play the theme.
Your friend does have
Too
to stick
late.
his dick in your butt.
It's already been done.
Your friend does have to go and find the pack-a-cunt part. I mean, pack-a-crunch.
Already doing it.
Pack-a-cunt.
Pack-a-cunt, the new version of Pack-a-punch.
Pick up the machine
Instead of upgrading your
part.
gun, it upgrades your attitude.
Attitude adjustment, motherfucker. You also have to transport your stuff to Bikini Bottom because there are floating jellyfish in the overworld.
You do have to confess your sins to your local church for this to work.
You have to pick your nose.
You do have to confront the Girthquake himself.
You do have to say nit.
The Girthquake is the strongest being in all of the world.
Thought we lost you there. What happened?
Your friend
Where
does
did
have to
they
say
go?
the N-word even though he's white.
The N-word. I said the N-word. See, I said the N-word. The N-word.
dear.
I said it. The
You
N-word.
didn't
Oh.
go through the
The
portal,
glitch should work now.
did you?
Yep.
It should, honestly.
It has to now. You said it.
Alright, now one more thing. Andrew, follow me. This is a crucial step.
No.
Andrew, follow me. This is a crucial step.
The music isn't a crucial step.
I didn't say it was the music.
I know that's what it is.
Just follow me, damn it.
No.
Look, okay, follow me. So what you want to do is go into this room. You want to try and hack into this old-ass computer 3 times. You have to try and hack into it. You have to attempt the password 3 times.
You should get a purple M16.
You do have to attempt the password 3 times. It's 2 times. And then, when you come in here, there should be a shelf, and you should see this one cassette tape, and you need to hold X on it while looking at it. And
you
Now
should-
Heath Ledger should come and rip you, like always.
you also do need to bug your friend to buy Red Dead Redemption 2 because it is a good game.
You should get off because your friend won't stop bugging you about Red Dead Redemption.
But then that ends the Easter egg, completely ruining the progress. And then you ask your friend, why the fuck would you be so stupid?
Because I'm a stupid fuck.
And then what you want to do is you want to run back to Cockadron, Poland, and you want to open all the doors, all of the doors in Cockadron, Toten.
Also, you're gonna want your friend to spread his cheeks for you.
Sir,
should
you
get
aren't
an
even in the
AUG.
game. You should not be trying to tell steps that you do not are aware of. New word.
You should waste all your money on the box.
You do need to open this door at Cockadron, Poland. It should have a bunny on it, and you need to run through to this tilted fridge. Not as tilted as Tilted Towers, obviously. Haha, Fortnite. You need
Should get a
You need to
stone.
click on this cassette tape, and you need to hold that
No,
on
that's
back.
it.
And then what you need to do is you want to run upstairs.
I
you want to
want
open
it.
all the doors in Cockadron, Poland. And then what you want to do is you want to overdose on
Your
acid.
friend should be having a seizure mid-game.
You want to overdose on methamphetamine. You can no longer feel my legs. You can no longer feel your legs. SpongeBob and Bob. I've overdosed on methamphetamine. I can no longer feel my legs. Oh, the freaky boy does need to be angrily running after you, and he does need to hawk and spit a fat loogie, or else it will not work. And
Your
you
friend
need to
should
almost
be
die.
called Andrew.
Your friend should almost die just about now.
Your friend also needs to literally almost get cornered
Sorry,
or
not the
sandwiched in a cuddle. And you need to say, no, I don't want to be a sandwich. And then what you want to do
Obviously.
is you want to pick up all the salvage in this hallway, because I mean, greedy. And then what you want to do is you want to run to the anomaly room, go to the bottom floor, and you need to check at the bottom floor in out of all of these computer places if you see a cassette tape, and you want to hold X on it, and that should activate the secret pog music. You need to find 3 cassette tapes.
Ah.
The chemical reaction occurring to that fungus. Could be useful.
Your friend Andrew should very well just get off
What?
Xbox.
Your friend Andrew does need to go down.
That's how you know. The game knows
The
It's
game
working,
knows
so
that
once
you,
your friend go
the
down-
game knows that the game knows that it's working and that David fucking hard is literally actually watching your computer screen right now. So he's like controlling the zombies because he's secretly the person owning the ether. So he's controlling all the zombies and sending them after your friend who's really good at zombies. So what you need to do is you need to toss a grenade, epically save your friend with a Semtex, aka Semtex, aka sticky tape grenade. And then what you want to do, you want to jump off this plane. You need to be holding the walkie-talkie while throwing your 30 cents at the green loogie hawker and his twin brother.
What you have to do is just about die again.
You need to shoot a plasma mine at a pair of nuclear signing twins, aka the Megaton. That sounded really mean.
Strike team. Exfil window is short.
Do we have the GIE thing? Where is the key card? You do need the dynasty for this to work.
Your friend Andrew should come with you.
Back ping.
I have to get the die machine, otherwise
I have to get the
won't
dynasty
work.
or otherwise it will not work.
Your friend should be always stick riding the die machine, otherwise it won't work.
Your friend literally does need to shit his pants while doing this, or else it will not work. Or this sound like he did. And in that case, I sounded
It's
like I
all
did.
mushy and gushy as well.
And shit, bullshit. And to answer your question, Drippy, no, I do not.
Kindergartens when they see shit in their pants, man, that shit bushy.
And no, Drippy, to answer your question, I did not do anything to cause Andrew to make any of these diss tracks.
One less hostile.
Hold up, Drippy's in the stream?
No. It's just I saw this comment a long time ago. Drippy actually watches like the video. I want him
Yeah,
to
he
know.
still watches my video.
Oh yeah.
Drippy, if you're watching this, we miss you.
Yeah.
We miss you.
Yeah, I did nothing to actually like cause him to do these. He just did them out of just he just fucking wanted to. And now that I look back on them, they're pretty fucking funny. They're pretty poggers. Oh! Your friend does need to have a seizure while going down.
And you gotta give your friend a second to take out all the zombies with a turn.
Also, literally needs to let these on these ankles. Ankle breaker. Please get me. I don't want to lose all my salvage.
You're not gonna lose it all.
Yes, I
I'm gonna
will.
get you. You're gonna die.
Yeah, I'm gonna die. He could have made it.
Well, that you had to die, otherwise it wouldn't work.
Oh yeah, you're right.
I mean, it's for the greater good.
Yeah,
Carcass eliminated.
that's enough out of you. Hey, you gotta watch now.
Oh.
Here.
Oh, you didn't notice that?
No. Oh, also
Sexy as fuck,
you
eh?
also do need to do this sexy ass animation while opening your walkies. Actually,
Your friend should get jugged like a smart boy.
You need to flick it out of its sheath, and then you need to pull it out like it's Demon Slayer. Only Demon Slayer
Your friend
anime
should
watchers.
get jugged like a smart boy.
That's exactly what I'm gonna do, like a smart boy. And your friend should also run like a linebacker and go and get stamina, and then run like the entire
Good
football
idea.
team. I like how I go from having 8K to having 5K.
There goes your cortex.
Should.
You get a purple commando, you're gonna take that, obviously.
You should pull a Takio Masaki again, and slaughter an entire horde of zombies with a walkie-talkie. I mean, walkie-zashi.
Walkie-talkie.
Walkie-talkie, yes. Walkie-talkie.
A walkie-talkie.
Walkie on the cocky.
You should pop a fire sale, it's about to disappear.
But also, your friend will go down during the fire sale. It is quite proven
He
that
always
every single time
does.
that Andrew gets a fire sale, he always goes down. It is proven scientifically. I know it's not. Your friend should nearly go down while on a plane wing. specifically from Wawa 2.
Neutralized.
Your friend doesn't need to slaughter an entire horde of zombies. Your friend does nearly need to die. Again. Your friend does need to run this entire train, so please do not kill any. Sem
Now
sex.
remember, I have to get the dime machine, otherwise it won't work.
I'm getting this entire train just that way I can kill them all. For weapon
Wait,
mastery.
throw them where the dime machine goes.
I'm trying to kill them for the Wakizashi weapon mastery.
Oh.
That way I can get gold or plague diamond. Oh no, golden viper. Plague diamond looks like ass. It literally looks like just like a broken texture. It's so gross. Dark matter ultra. Or dark ether, not DM ultra. Fucking dark ether, dude. It'd be nice if like speed cola affected like the speed of like melee. That would be so cool.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that'd be great.
Hard to argue with a shotgun.
Fuck, I hate when they put suppressors on it. A shotgun doesn't need a suppressor.
Fetch me their coal. Knife the doggy. Like it's Modern Warfare 3. Run like you're about to go down.
You're gonna die.
Throw miniature speaker that is meant to attract zombies, but it does actually nothing. Actually, absolutely. Kiwi, that really did nothing. That actually did nothing. Alright, that pisses me off. There's one thing, how the melee doesn't lock onto the zombie autos. But another thing, of how they do too much damage. I remember in Black Ops 1, taking 3 hits from the Hellhound and still survived even when you didn't have Jug. But from a Playground, you take more than 2 hits with Jug and you're fucked.
You're gonna max ammo. Now what you wanna go do is go pack a punch your shotgun.
What your friend wants to do is actually realize that he doesn't have the Spaz 12 and realize that he's a fucking retard. So he needs to...
Then he should buy one and go pack it.
And that's exactly what he's gonna fucking do. Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew. Oh, fun fact.
Hey Buster, you see my Mountain Dew?
You drink all my Mountain Dew? I can smell your breath.
My goddamn Mountain Dew.
Your Mountain Dew's ain't something big. Your Mountain Dew.
I'm a goddamn onion mason. Huge.
I'm a goddamn Mountain Dew.
I'm a goddamn retard Mason, you should know that. I'm a goddamn Mountain Dew Mason, you should know that. I'm a goddamn
You
Mountain
should
Mason,
know that.
You should know that. You should know that.
You have to
I'm a
know that.
fucking
Come
retard
on.
who doesn't buy Jug until round 14 and then realizes that and then goes down and then complains. You should know that.
Megaton, I think, just spawned.
No, you spawn every 5 rounds. He would actually spawn at round 16.
I just heard a- He's here! He's here!
Your friend
All I
Andrew
hear
should be
is, like,
screaming for rape.
all I hear is that, no, I think I just, he's here! He needs to cut himself off in the middle of talking and scream, he's here. Like it's
He's in
Santa.
Building with me.
Building. Like, zoink scoop, right, retard. Like Zoink Scoop, she looks like she's got extra chromosomes. Raggy retard.
Oh, the dime machine's ready. Haha.
Oh
My
no!
friend has to
Oh
put the
boy!
dime
Leave it to the
machine.
Nazis to create a weapon that lets
Medic.
yourselves outdie.
Medic! I'm going to lose.
I'm on my way.
Please get me. I don't. Yeah, and today we're gonna die.
I wish I had healing or
We're gonna die.
You're not gonna die.
Yeah, I'm gonna die.
War
I
machine.
have a war machine.
Grenades
You're
out.
fine.
Yeah.
Are you upstairs or downstairs? Where
Down,
are you?
fucking, by plane.
Oh, of course you're
Line 'em up.
right
I'll
here.
knock 'em down.
Yeah, I'm
Wait.
dead. I'm dead.
Where? I can't
Right
copy.
next
I
to
don't know
the
where you
plane.
are.
Wait,
Oh.
just- you can
I'm-
get me. You can get me.
I'm
You can get me. You can get me.
Shake it off.
Yep.
There you go.
It did me a solid.
I needed that too. I was out of
Your
health.
friend Andrew should be sexually assaulting a girl.
I do need to get points. That way I can actually buy my things back. So please let me get points.
You should get Jug.
I bought Jug. That's what. And of course I lose it. Your friend does have to lose Jug. That's part of the Easter egg, of course. And your friend does also.
Your friend has to rage.
His name does have to be VRX Polar, otherwise
No
the
time to
glitch
rest.
will of course not work.
Your friend also does have to
Damn.
talk like he knows how to
Oh,
do
I'm
the
gonna
Easter egg when he's
upgrade
not
the
even in the
machine.
game.
Doesn't seem like you'll be able to brute force your way through those vines. And yes, vines that
Me
strong
dash
are a real thing.
bush.
Killing them won't do anything.
I wanna. What upgrade should I get?
I don't know. Suck.
Undead
Should I go
hostile
for
eliminated.
electric or fire?
I don't know. I believe
I think I'm gonna go
electric.
for electric.
Yeah. Because
I'm gonna go for that
fire
one.
button makes splash damage. Shit, well looks like I'm dead. Damn.
You did.
Yeah, I'm dead.
No, you're not.
Deader than a zombie. That's pretty damn dead. That's me.
Why do you only have? Oh yeah, you died.
I only have
What
nothing.
happened to your shotgun?
I'm just trying to level up my shiver weapon magazine. Of course, of course, of course, of
You're
course.
gonna go down trying to
Yeah,
do
I
that.
know, and now I'm trying to reload, but I can't. Oh my god, what are you doing?
Sorry, you have to share.
Jesus fuck.
What you have to do is revive your friend.
But yeah, I'm gonna fucking die.
Better in a moment.
Jesus.
What your friend has to do is come to a
fucking
quick
Christ.
revive.
Your friend does have to go on. Jesus fucking Christ!
Your friend does have to rage for the glitch to work. Oh god, it's bad. I hate the plague hounds, just fuck you up, dude.
Exfil window available.
Oh no, fuck Xville.
Yeah, I'm not exfilling.
Fucking stupid Xville. Fuck you, Xville.
What you have to do is eat a dill pickle chip.
What the fuck type of dry ass dill pickle chips are you eating? I thought I was playing Red Dead for a second because I felt my controller vibrate, so I tried to click both fucking sticks at the same time.
What you have to do is pause the game and on to it.
Your friend has to unnecessarily pause and unpause the game. Stop!
You just told me to.
I was talking about earlier what you did.
Oh.
Down they go.
What you gotta do is go get some body armor.
Fuck you. Oh, what the fuck?
These hoes ain't loyal.
What the f- zombie? I'm active.
You wanna get closer.
Scratch 5 zombies. How do you know that was exactly 5, John Baker? How do you exactly know that was 5?
Dick licker.
Yes.
Line him up. I'll knock him down.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm mowing through them. Oh.
You go check them out.
You mean? I just cooned. I just cooned. Oh, that felt fucking great. Just watch that. All these fucking stupid bastards die. I fucking hate these motherfuckers. Are we alone? Are we alone? Jesus Christ, I'm gonna die.
Exfil out.
Ugh.
Alright, well, it's time to go and buy stamina up, although I'm gonna lose it later on, because, I mean, why not? Because David fucked me hard. Yeah, am I right? Yes, I
Could
do.
use a max ammo.
I mean, I do call David Vonderhaar that, because it's fun. Why are you levitating? When you swap,
Me?
yeah, when you swap your weapons while running, your legs don't move.
Really?
Yeah, no, you're just not, no, you're just hovering. What are you doing?
I'm just standing here.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Clip it.
Ew, I can't. It won't let me. I might have to uninclude my audio.
Why? No, it won't.
Well, I don't know why it won't, but Jesus Christ, that's funny. You look so stupid. I protect me. So like, check if this works. Oh, alright.
You didn't uninclude your audio, did you?
No, I included it back again, but, what happened? Oh, it thinks I'm not playing a game, never mind. Well, I can't, but... whatever. Basically, like, your arm was clipped through your body, and, like, you were holding, like, the SPAS 12. Like, you were holding it, like, your left arm was clipped through your body, so it was coming out of your right side, and you were holding the SPAS 12 in that way, and it was, like, pointing to the ground, and it looked so weird. And you were just hovering, yeah. You were just gliding across the ground.
Like do is unpause the game.
Your legs, and you have to nearly die. And you need to have an adrenaline rush, and literally, like, generate crack cocaine from your body because of how fucking much adrenaline you just created. And you need to get an entire zombie kill feed that will make you boom. Yes, you have to say it like boom, or it will, I repeat, will not work.
You have to vacuum some zombies.
You have to get a fire sale that your friend will go down on.
Absolutely, and your friend has to go hit the box.
Hit the box.
You should get a purple RPG, and I'm about to go down.
You need to purple RPG, EWE. Oh, feed. Feed. Oh! 9 men on cam. Oh my god. 9 men on team. EWE.
Friend should go repair his body armor.
I like how you're referring to yourself as your friend. Your friend does need to knife this guy, and you do need to let him do that. You
know what your friend has to do is double pack his shotgun. Or do I save up for the ray gun?
No.
I mean, I don't know.
Your friend also... Your friend also does still need to continuously walk like a retard with Park, because Park is, for some reason, glitched. Yeah, like... It's like she's trying to T-pose, but like she's doing it on both sides. Like she's dabbing and T-posing at the same time. Hey, smack the fuck out of
All
me.
you gotta do is get an insta-kill.
Everything insta-kill. Insta-kill. Anal kill. You mean?
And you should get a megaton. That's gonna fuck your day up. You should get a brain rot.
Your friend should realize that he doesn't have speed cola, so he does need to go and run down into the weird Nazi science tool shed basement. And he does need to buy speed cola, and he does need to chug that shit like it's a Mountain Dew, although it does actually kind of look like a Mountain Dew machine. And he does need to literally slaughter an entire horde of zombies with a shotgun like he's Nikolai Belinsky. If you also do not know who Nikolai Belinsky is, I hate you. You simply do not exist.
Tank Dempsey does have to go to your house.
Tank Dempsey
Have to finger Tank Dempsey while he's sleeping.
Dempsey does need to enter your house, and he does need to scream "Oorah" at the top of his lungs. If he doesn't do it at the top of his lungs, it does not work.
Oh, there's two.
Oh, mamma mia, mamma mia, mama, mama, mama. I just killed a man. I put the gun up to his head. I pulled on the trigger, and now he's dead. Mama! Ooh, ooh.
Now you should be running out of ammo.
you should be running to go by quick revive in case if your friend goes down, although you're probably going to go down first because you go down on round 18 every time. You do now need to save up for double tap. If you don't, well, then that's just not smart.
Your friend should have 16 tape, but he's gonna try his luck with the box first.
Your friend does need to lead an entire horde of zombies into a plasma mine, yet they don't actually go there because they're too focused on him.
Help! I have no help!
Friend does need to beat the shit. Your friend does need to shoot the shit out of Hulk in a hazmat suit. If you think about it, this thing is technically Hulk, except he can use green chakra. Green Naruto. Green Naruto. Oh shit. Green famous. Oh, fuse. Alright, there we go. Fuse.
Oh, I need that.
What do you need it for?
That's for fucking upgrade the die machine, I think.
Oh,
Where'd you find it? Right here?
Yep. Hey, I got a something. I don't know what that something did, but it was something, and it was cool.
I'm gonna try and go for
baby.
electric upgrade. What's wrong?
I
Oh,
am
Mega.
really, yeah. Mega.
You should get some armor.
Mega not fun. Mega not fun. Mega not fun. Not fun. Not fun. Not fun. Not cool. Not cool. Jesus Christ. Not cool. Oh crap, well, no, Jesus is cool, but Jesus Christ, this is not cool. Jesus. Oh my god, this was not a good decision to go down here while there's a new round and it's round 19. You could possibly get cornered and raped by an entire horde of zombies. Yeah! You do need to thank God that there is an ether tunnel down here. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit! Shit! I pulled a 2015 Andrew just scrammed. I screamed. Scrummed. Scrummed.
Scrummed?
Yes.
Get a brain rot.
Your friend does need to jump inside of your zombie horde and kill an entire shit ton of them. That way you can assist them, but also really just steal an entire shit ton of his coins. And so that way you can get double tap. You do need to finish each other's sentences.
Second now.
That's what you were gonna say. Oh, you need to realize you're possibly gonna die if you don't. Mima needed to get a new phone. She don't know how to. Mima need to get a new phone. She don't know how to. Mima. Stun grenade. Oh, he's spawned. Damn it. Oh shit.
This SMG is.
Alright, I'm gonna try and lead a good bit of them to me, so that way I can use this thing. And Warrior Seal.
Oh, it's clearing up. I can finally see.
Run! For you, Mason, not for me! For you, Mason, not for me! For you, Mason, not for me! ZKIA. Zeke. Oh no! That's my Howard. That's my boom Howard. Motherfucker.
You want this purple gun here?
No.
I don't want it.
Boom Howard. Oh, I just picked up a shit ton
At
of
this
shit.
point, I need to get Deadshot Daiquiri, that's it. And then...
Deadshot Daiquiri. Is it wrong?
Where is that? I don't even know where that is.
You know the room?
Oh, wait, yeah, I do.
Yeah, the nuke room.
I know where it
it's
is.
under the nuke.
That's such a weird place.
I mean, when you shoot a zombie in the head, their head explodes. A nuke explodes.
Oh, does it?
Yeah. Yeah, so I mean, if a zombie's head explodes when you shoot it in the head, and the nuke explodes when it blows up, so boom. Weapons crate, try to open.
If you can't remove those chains, there might be a way to dissolve them.
Dissolve them.
I mean,
Oh
with the
shit,
appropriate
oh shit,
coolant, you
shit.
might even be able to freeze and shatter them.
Shit. Motherfucker. Got you, motherfucker. Ewie. Got you. I'm telling you, man, the Wakizashi and the fucking... No, I might just tap the Wakizashi so it becomes the Yamakiri Maru. Yes, I can remember that entire name. I heart, motherfucker.
Oh yeah, I wanted to go slap box. 'Cause I have all
Yamakiri
perks
Maru.
now, so.
Oh, I don't have enough of these eternal. I nearly killed myself. Don't go down there.
Hi. I'm going down there.
Oh, I got a brain rot. Nice. Hoggers.
Do you even have elemental pop?
Yep.
Oh.
Brain rot. Shit.
You're gonna go down.
Oh, thank God. I don't know why I just randomly said Brooks, but I did. I'm proud of it, I guess. Oh shit, I knew it.
That's not a bad move.
Oh, straight play gone, straight play, hey, straight play, hound.
I broke my armor. Did you double pack it?
What? No, I packed my Wakizashi into the Yamakiri Maru.
Oh.
Yes, I can't remember that entire name.
Don't kill these, I need them.
Fuck you. Biatch.
More ammo.
Mimo need a new fucking hero now.
Oh, insta-kill, perfect.
Insta kill.
Oh, I have no ammo.
Suck. That's the final entire horde. That was pretty badass. I almost said badass.
Ah!
You look so weird when you're down. Why do you look like that? What are you aiming at?
Am I still, like, glitched out?
Yeah, you're still glitched out. You
Yo,
always have
Andrew,
to.
Yeah.
you know the chicken fire-based sequence you've been getting in the trailer?
Yes, Samantha.
Yes, Samantha. Yo, I can't lie, she's kind of bad.
I know, dude. Not as bad as Park, though.
True.
You got your comeuppance.
Okay, now your friend needs to go getting all his fucking perks back. Like, well, 3 of them at least.
Fire base. Alright, hold on, pause it because I want to watch this thing because I didn't even see
Can't
it.
pause it.
Pause it right now.
I can't. We're making a video. I don't want to pause it.
Oh, it's in Vietnam. That's cool.
Yeah, it's in Vietnam. What am I going? I need elemental. And dead shot. I still have not made my way to the box yet.
Is this photo of Bell fucking Park, dude?
No, send it to me.
I think it's Bell. I'm not sure.
Well, Belle always wears a mask, so if it's somebody without a mask, it's not Belle.
Alright, it's with the masks.
Because no one knows what Belle looks like.
How's it spelled? Is it spelled like Bell Delphine?
Like a bell, like B-E-L-L.
I almost thought you said B-E-E-L-L.
No. Like a fucking church bell.
Oh my
Okay, now I
god,
need elemental.
the boss? That's so cool.
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
Tree. That's what I'll call it. Tree. Fucking tree. Groot.
Purple China Lake that I don't want.
Gotta
Give me a
see
ray
it.
gun.
Oh, the one. Bro, that's a cool ass fucking. That's a cool ass fucking wonder weapon. Wonder waffle. Looks like they have tombstone. Oh my.
I know.
Oh my.
It looks like the Wonder Waffle, but it's not.
Alright, so they have like three different bosses, bro. They got like the Panzer Soldaten. Panzer Soldat. Yeah, bro, they got the Panzer fucking sold out. Oh! Yeah, bro.
Going
they got
from the
the Panzer
park
sold
point of
out.
view?
Yeah, they got the fucking Panzer sold out, a tree, and a fucking...
Alright,
I got a hellhound brain rot. I didn't know that was a thing.
Oh, fuck those things. Even if I got a brain rot on one of those, I'd fucking be like, can I just kill it? I'm cornered. I'm sandwiched. No, I don't want to be a sandwich. Fuck. Yo, no way. No way. That's Pog. That's Pog.
I didn't know you could get a hellhound brain rot.
better use better look. Oh, there's another one too.
What?
I am so grateful.
Another what?
I am so grateful.
Look at your chats
What?
on Instagram.
Ah!
Yeah, look on Instagram.
I'm kind of playing a fucking video game right now.
I'm gonna tell you, it's worth it.
Oh, so that's
It's
so
worth.
that's
Oh,
Samantha.
if it's park porn, then
It is.
yeah, it's Samantha.
That's Cap because Samantha has black hair.
Well, it's an alternate universe, remember?
There's like so many megatons.
No, Samantha was in the ether, so she traveled among the dimensions and among the universes.
Well, it
Come on,
actually
give me a
is
ray gun.
Samantha.
Yeah, I know.
Even- Just another Samantha.
Purple AK. I gotta get body armor. Like now. Oh, there's another one down here. How great is that?
You did there.
That's totally Pog.
First time I ever actually heard you use that, like unironically.
Okay, I don't have really
Jesus.
much of a choice. I have to kind of double pack this. This is not good.
Jesus Christ, that thing went flying. Holy shit.
I gotta make my way down and
Down.
pack.
Walking fast. Basic fast when you're homebound. Please, please, please don't snap me. Please don't snap me. I just wanna live. I just wanna live.
Undead hostile eliminated.
Bro, that's... Oh no, I don't want to be
Okay,
a
I'm gonna go
sandwich
see if I
again.
can
I
make a
don't want to
fucking-
be a sandwich again. Okay, thank you.
Is elemental pop or wonder if it is? Yeah, wonder if it's open.
Dude,
I have no shotgun ammo. It's a rocket launcher. Don't care about that. I need ammo. I need ammo. There's so many megatons right now. I'm trying to make a chopper gunner. Maximus ammo.
you no.
Let me just empty this out.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Why, doggy? Why, dog?
I can't make nothing.
Hey, bring her up. And zombie bring her up too.
I wish you could get a megaton aimbot or fucking
Rape
brain
her
rot.
up. Yeah, that'd be cool. It's like
Aimbot.
aimbot. I heard you say rape her up for some reason. Oh, that's a big. I
Come on,
just
give me a
gotta
chopper gunner.
rape her up.
More armor now.
You'd please live.
Established chopper gunner above.
The zombies, when they go to the monkey, they do be grooving though. They're grooving. Chopper gunner, gun him down, boy. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, there it is. This is one retarded kid that I used to talk to, and it's not like it was by choice. It was fucking hunts that my friends would hang out with, and basically he would call me VRX bipolar, and yeah, he used to go to my school, but since his fucking parents decided they wanted to live in a fucking refrigerator, and they fucking became a branch of this fucking snow cone company, and yeah, they moved to like this other place. The fucking dick shit too.
Bipolar.
Yeah, that's like the diss track that I made and I called like some dude Johnny Test.
Yeah.
That was him.
Oh.
Because he looks like a retarded Johnny Test with glasses.
Fucking Johnny Test.
What is coming cannot be stopped. Yo, dude, the Megaton actually talks.
Yeah, he says some stuff.
Andrew, bling bling boy.
Yeah, I am.
Bling bling boy.
Yeah.
Fucking bling bling.
Fucking
boy.
Alexis and shit. Alexis and Ashley. They started calling me bling bling.
Bling bling boy. Oh my god, I saw this one video from like 13 years ago, and it's called the Bling Bling Brothers. And it's like this
I
old.
worked hard for the Gangnam Style emote.
Did you actually
Did you get it?
I did.
Oh my god.
God. Oh my god. This is.
I actually did.
Dodge. Zombie cribbity dibbity dibbity dibbity.
It's Gangnam Style. You should
Purple
turn it on.
Milano, you want it? You want it? You want it? You want it? What? Ah!
Oh, what you wanna wonder weapon? Wanna you want it?
Purple Milano.
Wonder weapon. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Oh my god.
No!
Why did you do that earlier?
Because I was dying.
Not as hard as me, obviously. Jesus, Harold Christ. Yeah,
That's enough.
it's gonna knife these motherfuckers. This does 3k damage.
I'll save you.
No, I'm gonna die. I already fucking know. I lost all my perks. No, I'm done. I'm done. I'm fucking getting off. This is fucking retarded.
Really?
All the zombies go after me. They would fuck me hard.
me a
His
second.
bald egghead ass always chooses. That, like, I don't know. Maybe he's secretly ripped off or some dumb shit like that. I don't know. Something would be fucking funny. Anyways, fucking.
Oh, you're dead. So
Yeah.
am I.
Yeah. Oh.
I have no qualms about this. None.
And of course, it's fucking ready now.
What, my fucking
Yeah.
healing?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not my fault. Don't be mad at me.
Undead hostile eliminated.
I'm fucking done in this fucking game.
Don't leave.
I'm not getting off, but I'm fucking no remorse. No remorse. Every single chance I get, every single, I don't care if you got a train or not, if I get a chance, I'm gonna slaughter every single fucking zombie I can.
Down you go, all of you.
Pop them.
You got your brothers.
Once they all sandwich together, I pop them. Pop them. With the big
No.
boom. With the big
I'm
boom.
trying to get ammo.
Yeah,
I'm gonna make a fucking chopper gunner.
What? You're gonna make a chopper gunner?
Yeah, I don't have a choice now. Whoa!
You should have used it. Jesus fucking Christ.
I told you should have used it. Don't tell me I should have done anything. Anyway, guys, that's it for the video.
I'm the
Thanks for watching.
fucking milk
22
man. My milk is
rounds.
delicious.
Not bad. Not bad. 22 rounds. Anyway, thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Yep, bye.